How long does it take to learn enough kanji to be considered fluent in Japanese? To be considered fluent, you will need to know 2000 kanji. I like to round the numbers, so 2000 kanji is enough to be fluent. Of course, with that you will need to know a lot of other things like pitch accent, hiragana, katakana. I consider that you already know. If you don't know hiragana, katakana, then first search it up and learn it. It's basically a Japanese alphabet, which is way easier than kanji. And also a lot of words and the way Japanese people speak. But when it comes to kanji, 2000 is the number. Alright, how long does it take to learn 2000 kanji? Well, you can learn 20 kanji a day and you will have all of them in 100 days. You can also learn 10 kanji a day and have it in 200 days, 5 kanji a day. It is up to you and how much time you have. No matter how many kanji you choose to learn, the hardest part will be revising. Because 20 kanji a day, of course, is hard. It's annoying to learn all the strokes. But you have to revise it maybe 1000 times to actually remember it. The way I revise kanji is that I will take 10, I will learn at 10 a day, and when I learn it, I do the strokes until I kind of remember the kanji. When I see the meaning or when I see the strokes, I know what it means. I would just revise it the next day, then the next day, and then slowly make it 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, until it's so infrequent that it isn't annoying anymore. You don't have to think about it basically. If you forget to revise it and don't revise it for like a year, you will still remember the kanji. So if you want to do all of this for the 2000 kanji, it will be a quite long journey. But if you really want to learn it, you would be able to do it in 1 year. So 1 year from now, basically the same date, just 1 more year, you could know basically all the kanji that Japanese people use in this modern day. The tools I use for learning kanji is the app Kanji Study. It costs like 20, maybe $15. And it's not affiliate, I just use it. So if you are okay with paying for your studying, then you can buy it. If no, then you can search for some kanji database. You search 2000 kanji database on Google and you can learn from that. You cannot do the strokes, you will have to do them on paper. Another tool I use is for reminders when I need to revise kanji. And that tool I actually programmed. It is an app I made. And it is as bonus to my paid community, which is the first link in the description, where you can find my full Japanese course for beginners, which will help you to learn basically everything else you need to know to be fluent in Japanese. And you will also get the app, which will let you categorize kanji, for example, by 10. I learn 10 a day. And then you will be reminded every time you need to revise it. Then you can select if you did it correctly or not, and based on that, the next time you need to revise it will be generated. So if it sounds good for you, check the first link in the description and join my community. Goodbye.